Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We are going to make some tuna salad. I'm using 2 of these cans, ladies and gentlemen. I did drain the water off of the tuna. Some of the tuna normally comes in oil or water. I prefer to use the water base, but it's really your preference. Whichever one you use, make sure you drain the liquid from the can before you make your salad. We're gonna do a bagel, and we're also gonna do a tuna boat. I'm going to use some red onions. You use as little or as much red onions as you like. I like onions. I'm gonna use some carrots. They're diced carrots. Let's use some celery. About the same amount, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. Now, I have about 4 eggs I boiled and diced. I'm gonna keep the yolk inside of it. And I'm gonna use some relish. I did try to drain the liquid from the relish because I don't want any watery tuna. I'm gonna use the rest of the onions. Waste not, want not. Now, do like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 10,000 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all can use mayo if you like, but you know, I like to use Miracle Whip. So that is my go-to. I'm gonna use about maybe 3 tablespoons to start it off with. Now let's mix this up together. I actually learned how to make this when I was young as a rent-a-kid in my city. I was 14 years old and had a job. And this one lady made this salad for me. And I was like, that's not how my mama make tuna salad, right? But ever since then, this has been my go-to salad, especially for tuna. And I think 3 of the heaping tablespoons would be sufficient, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to use more, you may. Now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. Now, let's talk about what I've been watching on TV. Y'all know Power is about to come back on, right? And Tommy is actually in a new series. It's going to be filmed in Chicago, or based in Chicago, other than New York. So it's like a Power Book 3. I think it's called The Force. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong in my comment section down there. And while you're down there, let me know what you think about this video. I do like to network with my subscribers and viewers. So if you ever have any questions or comments, just drop it below. I normally respond within 24 hours. Okay, how does that look, y'all? This is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna add some pepper. As y'all know, Connie loves some pepper. And you can season this to your liking. If you don't want to use that much eggs, you don't want to use that much celery. I just like the color of this, ladies and gentlemen. I cut up everything ahead of time. If you want to cut it up the night before and then make your tuna salad the next day, you can do that as well. But you can whip this together in 15 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. I did transfer the tuna salad into a smaller dish. And now we're going to make our tuna boats. I have 3 romaine hearts there, and we're just gonna scoop this into our lettuce. Let's move this out the way so you can actually see what I'm doing. Now this would be a great dish for dinner. And that's 1. And we got 1 more to make. Now I am toasting my bagel right now. I'm using a cheese bagel. And we're gonna create that sandwich next. So that is our tuna boats. I added some pickles on the side, and now we're gonna do our bagel. And it's toasted, added some pickles alongside. This would be great for a lunch or evening snack. Right now, I am going to eat my tuna boats. Which would you prefer? The tuna boats or the sandwich? Either one, they're going to be delicious. Does that not look delicious? Added some pickles on the side for decor. I'm gonna eat this tonight. Which one y'all want? I added some toothpicks in here just to hold it together. Y'all get a bite? Y'all get a bite? Let's try it. Until then, God bless you.